Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Angular applications, the app.module.ts file is a crucial part of the application structure as it defines the main module of your application. If you find yourself missing this file in an Angular 17 project, you can easily create it manually. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to fix this issue, along with a code example. Step-by-step guide to create app.module.ts in Angular 17. Step 1. Create the app.module.ts file. 1. Navigate to your project directory. Open your terminal and navigate to your Angular project directory. 2. Create the module file. Inside the src/app directory, create a new file named app.module.ts. Step 2. Define the module. Open the newly created app.module.ts file in your code editor and add the following code. Explanation of the code. ngmodule. This is a decorator function that takes a single metadata object whose properties describe the module. Declarations. This property is used to define the components, directives, and pipes that belong to this module. In this example, we declare the app component. Imports. This property is used to import other modules that the current module needs. Here, we import browser module, which is necessary for running the application in a web browser. Providers. This property is for services that are available in the entire application. It can be left empty for now. Bootstrap. This property defines the root component that Angular creates and inserts into the index.html host web page. Step 3. Ensure you have an app component. If you don't already have an app component.ts file, create it in the same directory, src/app. Here's a basic example of what it might look like. Step 4. Update main.ts. Make sure your main.ts file, located in src, bootstraps the app module correctly. It should look something like this. Step 5. Run your application. Now that you have created the app.module.ts file and ensured you have an app component.ts, you can run your application. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 4200. You should see your application running with the message "Welcome to Angular 17." Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to create a missing app.module.ts file in an Angular 17 project, defined a basic Angular module, and ensured your application runs correctly. This foundational understanding will help you structure your Angular applications effectively. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to ask.